Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPA Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a pie chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. First, as you can see that this is the categorical data with its values given inside the sheet. And from this data, we are going to prepare a pie chart. So first we will see the output of our code, and then we will get a deep understanding and the explanation of our code to create this type of pie chart in VBA Excel. Now let's get started. As you can see that this is our final output of our pie chart, and then this is how your chart title, your legends, your data labels and your chart will look like once you have written the code inside VBA Editor. Now let's jump into the VBA Editor, the sub procedure to create this type of amazing pie chart in VBA Excel. Let's get started. So as you can see, this is our VBA editor and we have created a sub procedure to create a pie chart in VBA Excel. Now we will be seeing the each and every line of code in depth to understand how we can create a pie chart in VBA Excel. Now let's get started. First, what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our data as shown on the screen. As you can see, this is my data and I have selected a single cell using range c4.select. And then we will be using multiple with statements, which is also called as nested with statements, to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. Now our first with statement will be with active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the parameters what we are going to give is, inside the brackets the parameters will be, first will be our chart value. So each and every chart has its own value to be created. So for our pie chart the value is 399, and then we have to mention what type of chart we are trying to build. Now for that, for this video we are going to create a pie chart. So for VBA, the pie chart is represented as Excel pie, and then by separating a comma we are going to give the left top width and height parameters to create this chart and position this chart after it's created. Now we have created this chart. After creating this chart, what we are going to do is we are going to select this chart. So once the chart is created, it will be selected, and after selecting the chart we will be performing some other activities to present this chart in a better way. So first we will be giving a chart title, inputting a chart title inside our pie chart. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to use another with statement inside the main with statement. So this with statement will be with active chart. So as you can see that we have selected our chart initially on the first go when we are creating the chart. So that becomes our active chart once selected. Now we will be using with active chart, and then we will be giving some functions or some line of code to create a chart title and give the name of the chart title. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to use dot has title equals to true. Now remember, this line of code will help VBA to understand that yes, our chart title has a title, or you can say our chart has a title, and then we are going to give the name for our chart title. So for that we are going to use dot chart title dot text equals to then our name of our chart title. After that, your chart title will be created successfully. Now inside the active chart, this with statement, we are going to create another with statement which will help us to create or apply the data labels as shown on the chart. As you can see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 are the data labels, as these values are representing inside the chart, inside the pie chart which we are trying to create right now. So to show up this data labels, we are going to use another with statement which will be with dot series collection 1. So as you can see, we have only one collection over here, so we are going to give this will be our series collection 1. And then what we are going to do is, after that in the next line we are going to say dot apply data labels, and we are going to end the with statement. So once you have closed this with statement, your data labels will be appearing inside your chart. Once you have applied the data labels, now let's say we want to place our legends on top. So to do that, we are going to say dot set element, and inside the brackets what we are going to type is MSO element legend top. This line of code will help you to set your legends on top of your chart, as you can see on the screen over here. Now once you have set your legends, you have set your pie chart, created your pie chart, as well as you have labeled your pie chart in VBA Excel. Now what we are going to do is we are going to close the main with statement over here as end with, and then congratulations, you have learned how to create a pie chart in VBA Excel. Now as you remember that we have selected a pie chart initially when we are creating it, and we have performed some of the activities inside it. So now to deselect our pie chart, we have to select a single cell or an empty cell inside a worksheet to deselect our pie chart. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a pie chart in VBA Excel. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder, and if you have any doubts or suggestions, then please do comment in the comment box. Till then, have a great day from VBA Coder. Bye.